Donald three pins. This is the specification and the configuration of each switch. First, we assign a host name to each switch. Next is assigning of BTP version domain password for reduction of need to configure the same VLAN everywhere. We also assign the server and the client switch for better access. After we assign, now we are checking the VTP status in every client switch is connected to the server, which is the switch 0. Next up is configure access link for VLAN assignment by the assign interface connection. Next is to display a VLAN table to see if the connection that we assign the specific VLAN and user can get the message if we send the message. Lastly is the test of connection in the ping by opening the desktop command prompt and typing the command word ping and the PCIP address for the specific computer.